Are you making videos with your smartphone, but you're looking to up your game with your audio quality? Well, in this video, we'll tell you just how to do that, so stick around. I'm Evan.
And I'm Kevin. That rhymes.
Oh, yeah. Or did you just steal my name? You just put a letter in front of it.
Well, I did.
So, capturing good audio with your smartphone.
Yeah.
You know, we were talking about making good videos with your smartphone. Now, we know that the internal mic is still pretty decent, right?
Yeah, it's actually really good.
These days.
Yeah, it's really good.
As long as you're probably within like arm's length, you'd say, to capture good audio. But let's say somebody wants to kind of really up their game with audio, and they're like, man, I want to capture something that's really, in terms of quality, better. What options are out there for getting good audio on your phone?
I'm a huge Rode fan. RODE, if you're not familiar with it. There's a little packet. We'll show them one of them. Every mic I own are Rode mics. They're solid built. By the way, we aren't sponsored by Rode. Rode, if you want to sponsor us, we'll talk. But we are not. This is not sponsored. They didn't send us these mics we're going to talk about. We actually bought these. But I'm a big Rode fan. I have them for my Canon M50s and stuff like that. But there's different things you can do. Like Evan said, the microphone on the smartphones are so good. Now, a lot of times and you made some comment about, depending on how, I've got a short little arm, so that's as far as I can extend without a tripod or something. That's a good distance. But some of the reasons you might need a mic, noisy.
Oh, yeah.
I want to direct sound. So this is one, VideoMic Me. This is the newer variation of it. So this is an 8+. You've got the
10R.
The 10R.
Ta-da.
So with the 7, they did away with the little jack port in here, right? So this is the first Rode mic I had. So this one literally just pops in.
To the lightning port, just like that.
To the lightning port. Now, right now, if you notice, what I had is I've got it pointed toward me, so regardless of how I held it, right? It's a directional mic. So like right now, if I was talking to Evan, and Evan was asking me questions, he's going to sound almost like he's a little in the distance, where the mic is going to be pointed at me. Well, guess what? This is really cool. If I'm interviewing Evan, now it's pointed at him. So it's easy to pop in and off. It's around $70. You can take it with you, throw it in your bag or whatever. That's one idea. So another option is called the Rode Smartlav Plus, and it's exactly what it says. It's a little lav mic. In fact, it's got a little bitty, as we call them, dead cat on it. So that's what it looks like right there. You don't necessarily need this. I don't use mine a lot, and I can tell you some other things we do with it. So this right here, on older iPhones, will plug right in, but on the newer iPhones with the lightning ports, you get a dongle like this, and now you've got a lav. There's even a little clip. You can clip it on your shirt, and this is actually, I would say, a little better than this, and this is around, I think, $70 or something like that. The reason is because if you get a lav mic on somebody, you can put it closer to them, where this is, is going to be attached to the phone. Now, you may say, well, this one's attached to the phone by the cord. But this is actually another good example. I could attach it to Evan if I was interviewing him. It's a shorter cord. You can get extenders.
Okay.
But even with either mic or any of those mics, your environment's going to play a big part. So if you're in a crowded, loud environment, as much as you can isolate your sound with a lav, or even get closer to the person that you're talking, or closer to you, the sound is always going to be better. If you're in like we are a studio, then probably just the mic on here would be fine.
Yeah. Okay. So people could go with the regular internal mic if they want to, but there are options out there to up their audio game if they really want to invest. And it sounds like it's really cheap. You don't need a whole lot to get it. It is. And again, being a big Rode fan, you could even take the Rode Wireless Go. I think it's the Rode Go Wireless, which are the very small ones that's one of the mics I use now most of the time in my productions. And you can even attach those to your smartphone, and that even gives you a much better microphone. But that's a little over $100 if you didn't want to go that route. But yeah, you've got a lot of options where you don't have to spend a lot of money. Little bitty accessories. I mean, think about this. You could throw this in your pocket and carry it with you all the time, and it will give you a better sound. It's not night and day better, but it is somewhat better. So those are kind of some of the mics that we recommend you use if you're looking to up your audio quality with your smartphone video production. And if you use something, I'll drop a note in the comments. We'd love to know what microphones you might be using or audio solutions you're using to make better business videos with your smartphone.
Now, if you want to go a little deeper into smartphone production, well, we got you covered. We actually produced an online course, and there's a link to that in the description, where we go from everything about best settings to microphones to audio to gear to also the kinds of videos to shoot and stuff like that. It's really made for digital marketers, and we did it so you could learn just to produce better and immediately after doing that. So if you're interested in that course that we did, check out that link in the description.